Hello everyone, I'm Meenakshi Gautam from Jungle Entertainments and today I'm going to teach you choreography on song प्यारा भैया मेरा। ये एक ऐसा सॉन्ग है जिसमें सारी बहनें अपने भाई की शादी के लिए परफॉर्म कर सकती हैं। So let's get started. Let's get started with learning the leg movements. So first of all, take your position while facing your back towards the front. Cross your left leg back and turn. Now take small steps forward. 1, 2, 3, 4. Shift to the right. Shift to the left. Small steps back. 2, 3, 4. Shift to the right. Shift to the left. Now tap your right leg front, side, back, side. Now shift to right while dipping 2 times. Then dip 2 times in place. Shift left while dipping 2 times and dip in place 1, 2. Again shift right while dipping in place 1, 2. Shift to the left and then join your legs. अब हम इन्हीं फुटवर्क के साथ हैंड मूवमेंट लर्न करेंगे. So start by holding your lehenga or your gown while moving forward like this. Hands open, 1, 2, moving back, hands open, 1, 2. Now keep your hands in this position while tapping your right leg, and when you tap your leg, bring your right hand down and left hand up in a seesaw movement. Now in a sweeping motion, take your hands down and place them behind your head. Don't forget to use your waist while dipping. Then sweep left, hands behind head. Don't forget to keep your elbows out and wide. Sweep right, use your waist like this. Then sweep left. Take your position as you cross your hand and bring them to the side. Okay, now we are going to practice this section on count. Cross and turn. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. Tap. 2, 3, 4. Sweep. 2, 3, 4. Sweep. 2, 3, 4. Sweep. 2, 3, 4. Sweep. 2. Cross. Open. Let's move ahead in the choreography. Now this section is really easy. Just join your hands and jump right, left, center. Now dip 4 times forward and continue dipping 4 more times in place. Move to your right while dipping 4 times. Move to your left in the same motion for 4 counts and dip in place for 4 more counts. अब हम हैंड मूवमेंट्स लर्न करेंगे. Join your hands and in your last jump, place your hands like this and bring your hands down in 4 counts while twisting your wrist and don't forget to move your waist. अपने दोनों हाथों को नीचे से ऊपर लाते हुए place it on your chest. Now, right hand up and left hand down, दोनों hands को wheel की तरह घुमाते हुए shift करेंगे and then just reverse the same motion in same pattern. Last position. इस हैंड मूवमेंट को परफॉर्म करते हुए पहले हम जाएंगे राइट वाइल डिपिंग एंड देन रिवर्स करते हुए मूव टू द लेफ्ट फॉर 4 काउंट्स. अपने दोनों हाथों को नीचे से ऊपर लाते हुए प्लेस इट ऑन योर चेस्ट एंड कंटिन्यू डिपिंग फॉर रिमेनिंग 2 काउंट्स. लेट्स डू दिस सेक्शन ऑन काउंट. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4. अब हम आगे बढ़ते हैं. Take small steps forward while tapping each leg twice. Left, left, right, right, left, left. अब राइट लेग को साइड प्लेस करने के बाद अपने वेस्ट को अंदर की तरफ 2 बार हिट करेंगे. नाउ डिप 2 times facing your body to the left diagonal. Again dip 2 times facing your body to the right diagonal. Right leg open and अपना पूरा weight left पे रखते हुए point your right toe. Bring right in, shift left out. Left leg next to the right leg. Now moving back, right, left, right, left. Then with a hop, move forward, right, left, right, left. Open your right leg. Now shift your weight to the right and to left. Place your right leg back and bend your knees to come in the seated position. अब हम hand movements learn करेंगे. Move your hands while placing one palm over the other like this. Move them right, right, left, left, right, right, left, center. अब अपने राइट हैंड को नीचे से ऊपर लेके जाएंगे एंड देन हिट हिट. लेफ्ट हैंड आपके ईयर्स के पास, राइट हैंड ऊपर ले जाते हुए. नाउ स्विच योर हैंड्स. नाउ एज यू पॉइंट योर राइट टो, twist your body a little towards left while paying attention to the wrist movement. It's like आप दुपट्टा ओढ़े and open. Now as you move towards the back, place your palms next to your waist and move them like this. Now while placing your hands in this position, move forward, sway to the right, sway to the left, right leg back and down. Let's do it on counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, hit, hit. 1, 2, 3, 4. Dupatta, open, dupatta, open. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hop, 2, 3, 4. Sway, 6, 7, 8. From your last seated position, come back to standing position. Make sure your right leg is placed behind. From here, moving back in right diagonal direction, right, left, right, back in left diagonal direction, left, right, left, putting all your weight on left, pointing right toe. अब यहाँ से straight आगे बढ़ते हुए, right forward, left forward, right, left. Now join your legs while tapping right leg, right leg and left leg in place. Now place your left leg back and take a full circle from left side, moving right, left, right. Let's learn the hand movements. From your last seated position, place both of your hands to the left side, right hand, left hand, like you are holding a dolly. और उसे 2 बार राउंड करते हुए हम खड़े होंगे. अब यहीं से दोनों हाथों को राइट डायरेक्शन में ले जाते हुए आगे की तरफ से एक बार घुमाएंगे, फिर लेफ्ट डायरेक्शन में ले जाते हुए आगे की तरफ से ये रिवर्स घुमाएंगे. Let's do it again. Placing your hands like you are holding a dolly. Right hand, left hand, round, round. Now perform the same hand movement while moving back in right diagonal direction. Then reverse करते हुए moving back to left diagonal direction. अब straight आगे बढ़ते हुए left hand up in 2 counts. Right hand up. Placing right palm over the left. Moving joined hands to the right, left, right, center. और दोनों हाथों को इस तरह बॉडी से दूर रखते हुए टेक अ फुल सर्कल. Let's do it on count. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's move ahead. With a hop, taking step to the right, 2, 3, 4, join your legs. Again with a hop, move to the left side, 3, 4. अब लेफ्ट से पीछे जाकर एक सेमी सर्कल लेते हुए come back to your center position. Now right leg side, bend your left knee, point your left toes, cross your right leg and take a full circle. Let's learn the hand movements with this. Right hand down, ले जाके up. Left hand down, ले जाके up. Bring your hands close like a flower and open. Right hand down, ले जाते हुए turn. After this, I repeat the previous steps. Join your hands, jump to the right, left, center, moving forward while dipping in 4 counts. Dip for 4 more counts in place. 3, 4. Tapping each leg twice, right, right, left, left, right, right, left, left. Move to your right while dipping 4 times. 3, 4. Move to your left in the same motion for 4 counts. And dip in place for 4 more counts. 3, 4. Now placing right leg out, pointing your right toe, bring right leg in and shift left out. Open your hands, move your waist up and hip down. Let's do this section on count. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's do the whole choreography on count. 5, 6, 7, 8. Cross and turn. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. Tap 2, 3, 4. Sweep 2, 3, 4. Sweep 2, 3, 4. Sweep 2, 3, 4. Sweep 2. Cross. Open 1, 2. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2. Hit, hit. 1, 2, 3, 4. Dupatta. Open, dupatta. Open. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hop. 2, 3, 4. Sway. 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5, 6, 7, 8. Hop 2, 3, 4. Hop 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Click on the link to watch the whole choreography.
Subscribe to our YouTube channel and don't forget to click the bell icon.